Hello, lovelies. This is the woven cross and it's really, really easy. Bring your needle up through the fabric and we're going to make a cross shape, top left to bottom right. Then we're going to go top right to bottom left. Ready? There we go. I'm going to change colour to make it easier for you. We're going to come up through top left, down to bottom right. We're going to leave a loop though. You need the loop. Keep the loop. Then we're going to bring our needle up on the bottom left. We're going to pass it under that first stitch we did. Under that one. Look, like that. But we're going to go over our loop. Leave the needle there, pull the thread to pull the loop tight, and push your needle through and go back down through the top right. See how easy that was? Happy stitching.